Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model Y air filter. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. You will need to gently remove the trim panel surrounding it. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the light assembly. Finally, remove the two screws that secure the glove box, preparing it for removal. Once the screws are out, carefully pull the entire glove box assembly forward and out of its position. This will give you access to the air filter housing. You will see two retaining clips on the housing. Unclip these. Then, gently remove the housing cover to reveal the two old air filters nestled inside, ready for replacement. Now that the housing is open, carefully pull out the two old air filters. Pay attention to their orientation, as the new filters need to be inserted with the correct airflow direction, usually indicated by an arrow. Gently slide the two new filters into their respective slots, making sure they are seated correctly and securely within the housing. With the new filters in place, replace the filter housing cover and secure the two retaining clips. Next, carefully push the glove box assembly back into its position and reinstall the two screws you removed earlier. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector to the light, and finally, reattach the trim panel around the glove box. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.